Introducing MovieGo, the full-featured 8-in-1 USB-C charging hub that lets you connect all your peripherals and accessories. Oh, and did we mention it has wireless charging? This pile of USB-C adapters plus wireless charger can run you upwards of $250. For just $79, you can ditch the wires while still keeping all the features. Its 7 USB-C connectors and convenient wireless charger are all plug-and-play and require no extra setup or software installation. MovieGo's power delivery system feeds into all connected USB-C devices and automatically adjusts outgoing power levels based on need. Charge the latest MacBook Pro in under 2 hours with a 100-watt connection that runs even while multiple peripherals are attached and data is being transferred. The 4K HDMI video adapter allows you to mirror or extend your screen to HD TVs, other monitors, or projectors within seconds, and stream your favorite movies, shows, and videos in 4K UHD or full 1080p. Need to free up device memory on the go? MovieGo's OTG transfer feature quickly extends your phone's memory to your SD card via the Movie app. You can also use the app to access files from the hub or record videos and take photos directly to your SD card. Movie app supports all major video and music formats, so you can stream movies and videos with your friends at any time. MovieGo has some of the fastest data transfer technology. It comes with 2 wireless charging modes that remove the need for messy cables and deliver fast charging speeds. The 7.5W mode is ideal for iPhones, while the 5W wireless charging mode is great for AirPods. It's easy to charge your devices anywhere, anytime. MovieGo doubles as an emergency power bank, coming to the rescue when you're low on juice. Stay organized with the compact, lightweight, and versatile MovieGo. When it comes to convenience, what more could you ask for? Want your very own MovieGo? Pre-order yours now through our Kickstarter campaign. Thanks for watching.
The brand new MacBook, one of the many new devices featuring the powerful new USB Type-C port. Your entire computer's power, data transfer, and output through a single port. It's the heights of technological simplicity. But what about your stuff? And when you need to multitask, how do you fit it all into a single port? Your stuff needs Marble, the first integrated system designed to work with the USB-C port. The Marble offers a single compact way to connect your many devices to your new MacBook. It's got 2 USB ports, 2 USB-C ports, an HDMI Type-A port, a micro SD card reader, and a 60-watt AC inlet to power it all. It's the only system made to charge your new MacBook, while also powering all of your devices. Think of Marble as your new supercharger. It gives you all the functionality of having your devices nearby and connected as though they were still plugged straight into your computer. And just like the new MacBook, Marble is easy to take with you. No need to bring your Mac adapter with you on the road. Bring Marble, and you'll be able to power your devices and your computer while you're on the go. Marble was designed to be relatively the same size as your computer's standard power adapter, and when you consider the other mess that Marble enables you to leave at home, Marble makes a whole lot of sense if you constantly find yourself on the move. Marble saves you space, saves you weight, and has the ease of use you need. Easily switch from working at the office, to home, to your favorite cafe around the corner. Use the micro SD card port to get access to your videos and photos instantly. With Marble, you have the versatility and portability you need to work from anywhere. And while you work, charge your phone, your tablet, and your computer in the same place and have access to all your files at once while you're at it. It's kind of like having your entire office fit neatly in your pocket. Depending on your needs, Marble comes in 2 powerful options. The DCS-1, which features 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB-C ports, 1 HDMI Type-A port, and a micro SD reader. while the DCS2 switches the HDMI Type-A for an HDMI Type-D port and throws in a mini display port for your heavy-duty needs like connecting multiple external monitors. When it's time to get some serious work done at the office, there's no need to sacrifice simplicity for the sake of extra power. Run your monitors, your hard drives, even your printers through the Marble, and save yourself a headache or two. Marble is super sleek, super portable, and most importantly, it's got the energy you need to get the job done. And remember, Marble works with any computer that supports USB-C technology. Systems like the Dell XPS 139350 and the Huawei MateBook, among others. The potential of using the Marble for USB-C ported devices is continuing to grow every day. Get Marble and supercharge your life.
We all love the new MacBook. It's brilliantly designed, but don't you wish that it should have some more ports? When you need to use your external hard drives, or sync your iPhone and iPad, connect external monitors, or even transfer photos and flash drive contents, there's a problem. Introducing Vistar, the all-in-one hub for all the connectivity you need on your Mac. Unlike some other devices, it requires only one Type-C port to connect to your MacBook. So now you just need one device to sync or charge your iPhones and iPads, to connect SD, micro SD cards, flash drives, and external hard drives. You can also connect external monitors using HDMI, VGA, DP, or Mini DP. Designed to complement the look and feel of your MacBook, Vistar is made with precision-milled aluminum alloy, the same as your MacBook. Vistar incorporates all the ports you need in the most compact design to deliver the best user experience. This one hub is all you need to bid goodbye to your tangled-up desk. It's sleek, it's smart, and it makes life convenient. Vistar. Uncluttering your life.